Right now, during Toyota's national sales event, lease a new Tacoma for $309 a month, or get 2.99% APR for 72
First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem, Wakakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in ancient Paleo Hebrew. The Lashkash, the Holy Tongue. And I say Barakathon to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of news updates as of August the 18th, 2026 on this, August the 18th, 2026 on this Tuesday night. And you had a 5.9 earthquake over there, 199 miles from Jiaying city of Gansu, China. That was a 5.9 earthquake over there. And then you had a earlier today, there was a 5.7 earthquake in Tapachula, just of Mexico. So check out the latest earthquakes. And this is from the earthquake.usgs.gov. And you had a total of 63 earthquakes from yesterday of the 17th on to the 18th. It's the book of Luke. Matthew 24 verse 7. It says, for nation shall rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom. It says there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Right, so we're going to see the increasing earthquakes in diverse places. This is out of the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. It says, a great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and 50 sights of great saying shall be for heaven. Right, so increasing 50 sights of great saying shall be for heaven, and definitely with the uptick of great earthquakes in diverse places. So this is just a quick sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places news updates as of August the 18th, 2026 on this Tuesday night. So with that, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem, Wakar Kadash. In the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son Bahashem. In the name of Hamashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew. The Lashkash, the Holy Tongue. And I said Barakathon to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Akwaf. Until next time, I would say Komash Shwala in the Bible Ball and Shalom.